Happy Sunday, everybody. We are getting ready to head out to go finish Christmas shopping. I still have to get for my brothers and my sisters and my niece, my dad, and my stepmom, and my sister's boyfriend.
Let's go find Wally.
You want what, honey?
Wally toys.
Wally toys. I don't know if we're gonna go to the toy store right now. And then I have to
Toys.
go. I have to go get stuff for Dave, but I'm gonna have to do that by myself.
Toys.
What?
Toys.
What do you want? We're just gonna go. We're shopping for other people, okay? So not for you. Okay? You need your jacket. We're at Home Goods, and I'm trying to find something for my family, for like my dad and my stepmom and stuff. My brain, I just can't think of anything. I haven't found anything. Oh, look at that. It's like a tea kit. Is there more stuff over here? Maybe we should just get them a bottle of alcohol. Aaron and Adam.
Yeah, that's fine.
So we got a couple things. Dave's trying to find something for Adam. Sebastian, get in there. Oh my gosh, looks like they're pushing out a baby. You know what I'm saying? We're at Kohl's and I can't find Dave. We're looking for, we got the boys some shirts and looking for my dad, and I can't find Dave. He disappeared somewhere. So I hope you guys can see me. I don't know if it's like at a funky angle or what, but I am on my way to. I must have lost my mind because I'm going to Walmart on a Sunday at 1:25. That's not gonna work. I am going to Walmart, so I don't know. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of, I know, and it's the weekend before Christmas, so I know it's gonna be freaking packed. But I gotta get Dave something. So yeah, there you have it. And then I have to go. I think I'm gonna go by the dollar store. But I may, if I can find what I need to find at Walmart, I may just not go to the dollar store. But then I have to go to the grocery store afterwards and pick up just a couple of groceries. Like we just need milk, and then like something for dinner tonight, something for dinner tomorrow night, and Tuesday night, really, because Dave's already got Wednesday night planned. Because it's Christmas Eve! I can't believe it. 'Tis the season, you guys. Christmas is here. Well, I'm back from the store. I've got all these presents to wrap, and but we're done. We finished everything. We went to Home Goods. We went to Kohl's. Went to the bookstore. Then I went out to the dollar store. I went to Walmart. Oh my gosh! So at Walmart, I'm in line, and there's this old couple behind me, and it's like 20 items or less or whatever. And they probably have like maybe 19 to like 21 items or whatever. And the cashier says jokingly, you know, it's extra for each item over 20. And the guy goes, huh? And I go, she says it's an extra $5 an item for every item over 20. Like totally joking. And he gets pissed. And he's like, ugh, and he starts taking all the stuff down the cart. And the wife's looking at us, and I'm like, and I started saying, it's just a joke. And the cashier's like, I'm joking. And he's still getting pissed. And he's just gruntled old man. And then finally the wife, like, gets his attention. Because I guess he's got hearing problems or something. She's like, they were just joking. And he was like, oh, okay. But I was like, oh, Jesus. I feel like I hurt his feelings, or I pissed him off, that's for sure. But then I went to the dollar store. And then went to the grocery store and picked up some stuff. So now I'm just wrapping all of the presents. And it's like, this cough is killing me, man. Like, just, you know, carrying the groceries in and out of the store. And I like came upstairs to do something, and I was just kind of like running around. And I wasn't doing anything strenuous. But then this coughing fit just happened. because it's like when I start like, the more I move and start exercising or just moving in general, my cough, I just can't like breathe, and my cough is just horrible. And it's like I want to work out, but I can't because I start having a coughing fit. And I just want this cough to go away.